Hello all. Today I'm going to start a new playlist on computer vision, and in this particular playlist we'll be mostly discussing about OpenCV Library, and we'll be seeing various kind of different steps of image preprocessing in OpenCV. Along with that, we will be also trying to integrate with various deep learning, machine learning techniques, and where we can see that we can do a lot of different kind of applications in terms of real world case scenarios. So again, as this is the first lecture with respect to OpenCV, so initially I'll just show you how we can install the libraries that are actually initially required. So for this, we basically use OpenCV Library in order to open OpenCV Library. Now currently we have OpenCV 3. You just if you have an Anaconda environment, just go and type it down as OpenCV 3 install conda. So as soon as this you install it, you'll get the first link. Just click this first link, you will get the command that is this one, which is nothing but conda install -c conda-forge OpenCV. Just go and open your Anaconda prompt and go and paste this command over here. So once you paste this command, copy this full command. If you want to open the Anaconda prompt, go here, click on Anaconda prompt and just paste it. So after you paste it, this will probably take you around 5 to 10 minutes to install, because this library is actually responsible, which we will be doing different kind of image processing, and we'll also be doing various kind of video processing. So all this library has played a wonderful role in this current days. It is developing in such a rate. So you'll be seeing a lot of stuff as we go and discuss in our upcoming videos. So currently, in order to begin with, just go and download this particular library. After you install this, suppose if you want to install it by pip, what you have to do is that you just have to introduce, or you have to just use another command, that is pip install OpenCV contrib Python. Okay, copy this and go to your Anaconda prompt, remove all these things, this is not required, and just install it with the help of. So this will also help you to install the OpenCV. So after you install it, it will take around 5 to 10 minutes time. In order to test whether it has imported correctly, just go and execute this command, that is OpenCV2. Yeah, it's executed perfectly. You can see that I have my OpenCV. Now, if I do want to show you an example, I'm trying to read this particular elephant image with the help of Open. And once we see this, this is the image that we are going to display. Getting displayed. Again, I'll discuss this in my next video. How this basically the first video is all about how to read a particular image, how to display a particular image, and how to output the image in some different format. So yes, if you have not subscribed, guys, please do subscribe my channel and please share with your friends. We'll come up with the next video where we'll be starting this OpenCV playlist. Thank you one and all. Happy learning.